Imagine turning your passion and interests into income, all from the comfort of your home. Does it sound like a dream? Well, affiliate marketing can make it a reality. But how do you go from being a complete stranger in this world to generating real, tangible income that truly makes a difference in your life? Is it really possible to build a sustainable income source, or is it just another mirage in the vast desert of the internet? Today, we're going to unravel the mystery of affiliate marketing, showing you step by step how you can get started, what strategies work in the real world, and most importantly, how to avoid the pitfalls that have tripped up so many before you. Get ready to discover how to turn your curiosity into your own money-making machine. Are you ready to start this journey? Let's move forward and discover how you can make affiliate marketing your ladder to success. Affiliate marketing is like being the bridge between a product and its next fan. Imagine you have a friend who makes incredible lamps and you tell everyone about them. Each time someone buys a lamp through your recommendation, your friend gives you a part of the sale. That, in essence, is affiliate marketing, but in the vast digital world. Companies and sellers offer products, and you, as an affiliate, use your skill to connect those products with the people who need or want them through a unique link. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you receive a commission for that sale. The beauty of this model is its simplicity. You don't need to have your own product, nor deal with storage, shipping, or customer service. Your focus is on sharing, recommending, and, of course, earning money by doing so. The key is to choose products that resonate with your followers or audience and present them in a way that adds value to their lives. Thus, success in affiliate marketing is not just about promoting, but about building trust and offering genuine solutions. Ready to explore how you can make these links turn into your next income? Let's dive into the first steps to unlock your potential in the world of affiliate marketing. Starting in affiliate marketing is like embarking on an adventure. You need a map, the right tools, and a compass to guide your way. The first step is to choose your niche, that corner of the digital universe where your passions and knowledge meet the needs of an audience. Think, what topic could you talk about for hours on end without getting tired? What are you passionate about that could also interest others? Magic happens when you find that unique space where your voice resonates strongly. Once you have your niche clear, it's time to look for affiliate programs that match your interests and your audience. Not all programs are the same, so look for those that offer products or services you would use yourself and that would bring real value to those who follow you. Pages like Share a Sale, ClickBank, or even Amazon's affiliate program can be good starting points. Now, with your niche defined and your affiliate program selected, the next step is to create valuable content. This is the heart of your strategy. Whether through a blog, YouTube videos, or social media posts, your goal is to provide information, entertainment, or solutions that attract and maintain your audience's attention. But it's not just about talking about products. It's about sharing your experience, your advice, your successes, and failures. By building a relationship of trust and transparency, the links you share will be seen as genuine recommendations and not just sales attempts. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't come overnight. It requires patience, consistency, and continuous learning. But with each step you take, you're not only building an income source, but also a community that values your opinion and follows your advice. That, at the end of the day, is as valuable as the money you can earn. Let's delve into how to maximize your earnings with effective strategies in the next step. Maximizing your earnings in affiliate marketing is like tuning a musical instrument. The more precise you are with your adjustments, the better the melody will sound. Here I'll share strategies that work, tested on the digital battlefield, so you not only increase your income but also build a loyal and committed audience. Master the art of SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is your best friend in affiliate marketing. By ensuring your content is easy to find on Google, You're putting your recommendations in front of more eyes. Use relevant keywords in your titles, descriptions, and in the body of your content. But not just that, create valuable content that answers the questions and needs of your audience. Google loves content that satisfies the search intentions of users. Social media strategy. Social media isn't just for sharing moments of your life. It's a powerful tool for promoting affiliate products. But here the key is authenticity. Share your real experience with the product, include images or videos of you using the product, and tell a story. How has this product improved your life? Stories sell more than simple ads.
If this video is opening your eyes to finance, hit like to support this channel and help us keep uploading more content. Comment on your biggest revelation so far and subscribe with the bell on so you don't miss any financial secrets. And if you have a friend or family member who could benefit from this video, spread the word by sharing it. Let's continue with more strategies that will change your financial future.
3. Email marketing, your best-kept secret. Email marketing allows you to build deeper relationships with your audience. By offering subscriptions through your content, you can collect email addresses from people genuinely interested in what you have to offer. Send regular newsletters with exclusive content, special offers, and, of course, your affiliate links. Remember, the key is to provide value in every email, not just to sell. Analyze and adjust. The beauty of digital marketing is that everything is measurable. Use analytics tools to see which content generates more clicks and conversions, which topics resonated more, which products performed better. Adjust your strategy based on these insights. Success lies in understanding your audience and offering them exactly what they're looking for. Continuous education. The digital marketing world is always in motion. Stay updated with the latest trends, tools, and strategies. Invest in your education, attend webinars, read blogs, join communities. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the world of affiliate marketing and, consequently, the higher your earnings will be. Remember, success in affiliate marketing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. With patience, dedication, and applying these strategies, you will not only see your income grow, but also build a strong personal brand and a community that trusts your recommendations. In the next step, we'll tackle common mistakes you should avoid to keep moving forward on this exciting journey. On your path to success in affiliate marketing, it's crucial to be aware of common pitfalls that could throw you off course. Here I share some frequent mistakes and how you can dodge them, ensuring your journey is as smooth as possible. Choosing any product. The first mistake is promoting products that aren't aligned with your niche or your audience's interests. Success in affiliate marketing hinges on authenticity and trust. If you recommend products you wouldn't use or that don't add value, your audience will notice. Always select products that resonate with you and your audience. Ignoring content quality. Another common mistake is focusing solely on selling, neglecting the quality and value of the content you produce. Your audience comes to you for your insights, personality, and your ability to entertain and inform. Quality content is what builds trust and keeps people coming back for more. Ensure every piece of content, be it a blog post, video, or social media post, adds something valuable. Lack of patience and consistency. Many get discouraged if they don't see immediate results and give up too soon. Success in affiliate marketing requires time, effort, and consistency. You need to give your audience time to grow and for trust to be built. Maintain a regular content schedule and be patient. The results will come. Not learning and adapting. The digital world changes rapidly, and what worked yesterday might not work today. A critical mistake is not adapting to market trends, social media platforms, and affiliate program policies. Stay in constant learning and be flexible to adjust your strategies as needed. Ignoring legal regulations. Lastly, Not following legal regulations, such as not properly disclosing your affiliate links, can not only harm your relationship with your audience, but also result in sanctions from regulators or affiliate programs. Ensure you're aware of the laws and best practices in your region and sector. By avoiding these common mistakes, you'll be in a better position to build a successful and sustainable affiliate marketing business. And so, we come to the end of our journey today in the exciting world of affiliate marketing. We've unraveled secrets, shared strategies, and revealed how to avoid common mistakes. Remember, your success depends on passion, patience, and perseverance. So, take what you've learned, start building your path, and never stop exploring the possibilities that affiliate marketing has to offer. If this video has provided you with value, don't forget to subscribe, share it, and leave your comments below. Do you have questions or want more information on a particular topic? Let me know. Until next time, and may your journey to success be fruitful.